you will get adhesive magnetic strip, grooved magnetic strip, PVC strip, a piece of mesh, corner set. Keep the frame clean and dry. Firstly, tear off the protection film of adhesive strip and stick it flat along the frame. Secondly, magnetic attracting the grooved magnetic strip to the adhesive magnetic strip. Cut off 4 PVC strips. Use the strips to temporarily fix the mesh up and down. Insert the PVC strip to one corner. Use the PVC strip to stuck the mesh. Tip: bend the soft strip upward. The groove angle will become larger and the installation will be easier. Insert another corner when approached another side. Cut off the excessive mesh. Clip the windproof clips on the outer frame, each on the right and left.